Hello, sir. How have you been?
I have been good, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Ankit Chaudhary.
Ankit Chaudhary. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
Are you fond of listening to musics?
Yes, I am fond of listening to music.
Is this your first video?
Yes, it is. It's my first video.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anurag Tiwari. I welcome you all to my channel Inside Academy English. Today, in this video, one more student of this academy is sitting in front of me, and he's going to present himself. He's going to speak in English with me. You have to look for him what exactly he is going to do in this video. Drop your comments in the comment box. How did he perform? What he learned in this tuition? So let's get started without wasting further time. Ankit, I want to know your opinion about family. Family is important in our life or not?
So, if you ask about my opinion, that is family important or not? So, in my opinion, yes, family is important, as we all know that our family only supports in our low, means when we are in bad times. Only our family helps, no friends will help us. And family is also important. They give us good knowledge and good bringing up, and they will teach you how to speak respectfully with others, and how to treat others equally like everybody else. And also family will means family will support you in all situations, whether it is any situation.
So you live in a joint family or a nuclear family?
I live in a nuclear family.
Why don't you prefer joint family?
I I prefer joint family, but it there is a situation because my tau lives in village. My chacha lives in another house, means his house on rent, and I live in my house, means father's house.
Okay, so like there are so many people who are totally crazy or obsessed with other people, like with their friends, with someone else. They don't even listen to their parents, they don't even listen to their families. What do you have to say about them? Is it a good thing or a bad thing, and how does it make an impact?
So I think that it's a bad thing that you listen to your friends and not listen to your family, as it impact that the friend will say anything and you will do that. The friend may say you wrong things and you will do that, but your family will always teach you right things. And if you don't, at the behest of family, if you don't go, then you will not be able to focus on any sub things, and you will be stuck with your friends suggestions and all. It is bad, and you should not do that, any kind of
Okay,
bad
so
things.
tell me something about yourself. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I could introduce myself. First of all, my name is Ankit Chaudhary and I live in Delhi. I study in class 12th at Maxwood School, Rohini. And I try my best to do everything good and best. And my favorite subjects are political science and English, as they are interesting for me, and better to study them and focus on these concepts. And my hobbies are to play basketball in school, and in my free time I operate my phone or do my pending homework at home by seeing on computer and or else.
And how many members are there in your family?
In my family there are 5 members: my father, my mother, my younger brother, my elder sister, and me.
Okay, and what are you desirous of becoming?
I am desirous of becoming a government officer.
A government officer.
Yes.
What type of government officer?
Means I have not decided yet, but yes, I would give an government exam which I would prefer in future, and I would become that government officer only.
What if you could not reach your goal? What if you were not able to reach that position? What is your plan B?
My plan is if I don't get the government exam clear, then I my plan B is to open a business, as my father says that if by chance you can't clear the government exam, then you can open a new business and operate it.
It means your father is very supportive to you.
Yes, my father is very supportive to me.
And what about your mother?
My mother is
What
also
what role does your mother play in your life?
my mother is also supporting. My mother's role in my life is that she cares me a lot, and she gives me food on time, and she taunts me that eat food and why are you not eating food, as I am skinny in looking, so that's why my mother says that you are not eating food, that's why your body is getting skinny.
Do you have any concept about best friends? Like you have any best friend?
Yes, there are many best friends of boys, not girls. Boys, yes, there are so many best friends of mine. As if I got stuck in any situation, like if there any fight or anything, then my friends come and support me by talking to front persons.
Like, do you have any incident that you can talk about? Like, you got into a fight and they got you out.
Yes, I got into a fight a month ago, and I talked with my bhaiya's friend, and I said to him that my fight has started with someone. So my bhaiya supported me a lot. Means my
And what was
bhaiyas.
the matter and who made the mistake first?
The matter was that we were playing basketball in the court, and by mistake, my hand slapped on his face.
You
By
slapped
mistake.
him by mistake.
By mistake, not by
Choice.
choice. And then he came to me at second or third or fourth period that say sorry or else I will beat you. Then I said that I will not say sorry. What will you do? This, and
If
then
he said that say sorry, so you would say sorry. Like he also added, otherwise I will beat you. So for that reason, you did not say sorry.
yes,
Like you made a mistake, be humble, be a human being. You made a mistake, you should have said sorry. But what I can get from your words, that is, he added that say sorry, otherwise I will beat
beat
you.
you.
So on the basis of that line, I will beat you, I think you
Yes,
decided to not say sorry. Am I right?
yes, you are right.
Continue.
And after that, he said that I will meet you outside the school. Then I also said in angry mood that yes, you can meet me and outside the school. Then I went with my bhaiya's brother friend and we solved out, and his his brothers means his friends are also my brother's friends.
Okay.
So yes,
His
that's why.
brother's friend are the friends of your brother.
Yes,
Okay. So like, what was the conclusion? You both like was compromise.
yes, it's compromise only. Most of the fights compromised only, not
So
beat.
they get compromised.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about your brother? You have your brother.
Yes, I have a younger brother, as I told you.
Yeah. What is his role in your life? Does he add any value in your life, or he just wastes your time?
Yes, my brother helps me, and if there is any situation like as I told you about the fight, he would come first and beat him. He will not compromise, but he will beat him as he is an angry person. He gets angry very easily, and there once upon a time means a story I would tell you that. I was playing in my colony, and one boy threw a stone on me. My brother saw it and he comes running. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, not the way it is correct.
He comes running to me and to that boy means and slapped him or beat him fastly and brutally, and I stopped him so much but not because of his angry
You could
mood.
not stop him.
Yes, because of so my father and mother has to come to stop the fight, and then my father and mother also said to that boy's mother and father that how he threw a stone on my son and this.
It means like your brother has a story of goons or like a dangerous person. Does he have that personality?
Not dangerous, but yes, he cares me a lot, and but we have also have some little fights as in every house there is a fight.
Have you ever beaten any boy or any girl?
No, I have not beaten any girl or boy, but yes, in funny way, I beat boys.
Do you have any female friends?
Yes, I have female friend.
How many female friends do you have?
Maybe I have 4 to 5.
If I say you to compare the friendship between females and males, like if I talk about boys, boys have a strong friendship. That is people's opinion. It is not my opinion, first of all. But I want your opinion, what you would think about this, that female are like stronger than males or not in terms of friendship.
I think that yes, females are better than means in some places they are better than
But we are
boys.
talking about everything. If you make a conclusion, so what would you say? Like if I say you to give out of 10 marks, how many marks would you like to give?
To myself,
Not to yourself, to the friendship of boys
girls,
and the friendship of girls.
friendship boys, I will give 9, 10 out of 10 only, and to girls 8 or 7.
Okay. What are the major differences between the fulfillment of friendship between boy and girl?
A boy helps you in many ways. In any way, he can help you, but a girl helps you in doing
In
in
some certain ways, a
certain ways.
limited
And
way.
yes, I told you that in some places they help us, and they help. They help us in doing our school homeworks only. They share homeworks. As I sometimes I take homeworks from them.
Now you are being honest. It's crazy.
Yes, I am honest.
Yeah, it is right. You are going good. I used to make friendship with girls, and I also used to get my whole work done by them. And they used to be very sweet, and like they used to do all the work. It's a funny thing. First of all, okay. Now let us change the topic. Yeah, as you are in class 12th, okay. What are the challenges that you are going to face in your life? Are you aware of that?
No, I am not aware of my challenges as we cannot predict the future. But yes, I know that the life would be hard after 12th
But
as
people like have been saying it since childhood that once you clear your 10th, your life becomes easier. Again, you clear your 12th, your life becomes more easier. Again, you clear your graduation, you get a job, life becomes easier. Is it so? Like, there something like that?
no, it is not like that as it is a myth that the society is making that once you done 12 then life will be easy. It's wrong. As I in my opinion, as you clear 12th, you had more pressures from your family, from study side, from everything means earning source also you will need to earn something. And that's why. And also, if you think about doing any job, then you also have to study of that job also at that level also. So that's
Do
it.
you think that we have taken birth, we were all born just because of the fact that we have to get up and we have to take a job, and then again we have to do the job, we have to go for some child, and then again we are going to die, and the same cycle continues? What is the purpose of our life? Why do we come here actually? And like people often say that what is the name, Mukesh Ambani is the billionaire or the richest one. He's the richest one. Shahrukh Khan is the richest one. What is the difference between being richest one and between not being richest one? If I am not rich, will I not die? If you are rich, will you not die?
Yes.
Eventually you have to die. I have to be ready for this, okay? This question will be imposed over you also. So you also have to die, I also have to die. What's the difference? What the basic difference? What are we doing here?
We all are.
Have you ever asked these questions to yourself? Like,
No, I have not asked this question yet.
try to think and answer this.
We all are here to live and earn some resource and earn some respect also. And some respect also. And if we talk about the difference between rich and not the rich, means middle family or poor family, I think that there is inequality or discrimination among the background of religion, caste, economic background also. That's why that's the basic difference between rich and poor. And like not rich middle family also, and they have proud that rich people proud that they have so much money and they can live a better life than poor people, and it's all at the end everybody have to die and everyone has to die, and money will not matter after when you will die. So that's it, I will.
Okay, now like I asked so many questions as it is your first presentation today. So the ball is in your court. It means now you are the boss and you have to ask questions.
Do you have any goals in future, like other than teaching students? Do you have any other goal?
To be honest, I don't have any goal in my future. Just I want a good wife and I want to fulfill my parents' desires and needs that they were not able to fulfill of mine. Uh, Only this is my goal now, apart from my tuition classes.
Yes, yes. And can I ask you the same question as you asked to me?
Absolutely, you can ask.
So, as you asked between the difference between the rich and poor, can you give me the best explanation of that question?
To be very honest, I don't have any explanation about this. Suppose I consider you a rich man and I consider myself a poor, okay? You have fingers, you have teeth, you have eyes. I also have the same. It might differ in colors, but the reality is same and the correct, okay? You can eat banana, papaya, apple, and pineapple, pizza, burger, and lot of extra stuffs. But I might eat dal chawal, rajma chawal, roti sabji, dahi roti. Okay. At the end of the day, you go to the washroom, you take it out in the mixed format that we say potty. At the end of the day, I do the same thing. You eat something, you get it out. I eat something, I get it out. What what are the benefits? What are the values that we are adding to our life? We on ground we don't add any value. In my opinion, we made an assumption in our mind. We make a perception in our mind that if I have money, I can live my life. I can live my life better than you. But in reality, the life that you are living is better only according to you. Let me give you more explanation about this. Suppose I have 100 rupees, you have 1000 rupees. I am a poor guy. I am desirous of eating rajma chawal that I can get only for 40 rupees. I am left with 60 rupees again and I fulfilled my desires. Now you want to get a vodka shot and that can cost you approximately 3500 rupees. You have only 2000 rupees. How will you get that?
I will not get.
You will not get that.
Yes.
Okay. You will say that you cannot even think of the fact that you could also get a vodka like me because you are a poor guy. Bro, you are right. On one level I cannot get it, but if you go beyond that level you will realize that I don't even need it. You created the need, that's why you are chasing for that particular thing that you can get for at least 3500 rupees. But I did not create it for my own, because I created rajma chawal for me and rajma chawal shoots best on me. So it is all about, I think, our own imaginations. If you think beyond something, you try to go there. If you think limited to something, you try to go there. If you don't even think, you don't even try. So I strongly believe there is no concepts like becoming rich. Like I'm asking you, what is the point of becoming a rich person? Whatever the pleasures we enjoy, the pleasure in our life, we fall in love, we go for anything else, we go on trips, we enjoy a lot. You are speaking English, you are boosting your confidence. What's the purpose of that? Even if you get to know a lot of things in this earth, on this earth, I know so many things about spoken English, I know so many things about languages and all. What is the benefit of that? At the end of the day I have to die. Why to teach, why to run this society? I have this question for everyone, and I have not got yet a good and a powerful and impactful answer for this.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the best explanation of for that answer.
I'm very
That's
grateful for this.
that's it.
Okay, so it was all for this conversation. It was a great
Thank you, sir.
speaking with you today, and we'll meet you in the next one. We will absolutely shoot next videos also. Thank you.